Just a little shout out to all the subscribers and followers tonight. Doing a little Christmas present wrapping here in the man cave. Enjoying a little Angry Balls. For those of you who don't know what that is, that's Fireball Whiskey and Angry Orchard hard cider. The apple stuff. Just wanted to say thanks to all the subscribers. We've grown the channel to almost 3,200 members now. And I wouldn't be here without you all. I just want to thank you all. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So, have a good evening. Stay safe. Thanks to all the friends. Thanks to all the fellow Pathfinder instructors who give me shout-outs. That's really about it. Y'all have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I'll keep the videos coming. You guys keep watching. Thanks and have a good Christmas.